Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is an Amazon haul. Just a couple crafty things that I got off of Amazon. In addition to the ring light that I showed in a previous video. But I wanted to show some things that I ordered. So these were my current cutting plates for my Sizzix. And you can just see how bent and out of shape they are, right? And I was just kind of waiting for them to crack. So I did order new ones and they're green. I'm not sure, like the green threw me off, but I'm hoping compatible with, which is one, I think I have the Big Shot. I have this one, just the regular Big Shot. And, oh, so there's different, are these like the regular ones? I guess there's different colors. Yeah, I guess there's just different colors, that's all. Available in an assortment of delicious colors. Collect them all. So I'm hoping that these are the right things here. Oh, they feel like, oh, they're so like new. So let's just see, they're the same width, and it's hard to tell if they're the same thickness. I really, really hope they are. I mean, these are so worn on the sides that it's hard to tell. But if you go this way, they look the same. So, yep, I'll have to try those out and hope that they are exactly what I needed. I mean, they should be. They're the name brand. It's not like a knockoff brand that I'm trying to get. All right, and then the other thing I got, because I was running out of certain letters. So Amazon had this set here of alphabet beads. And, oh, you know what? I have an AliExpress haul. Where's my AliExpress stuff? Because I did get letter beads from them too, and I wanted to see if they were the same as these. So it just comes with a different, you know, a variety. Here's your standard white with black letters. This looks like a bag of just numbers. And then this one is just some hearts, some black hearts and some red hearts. And then here you have more like kind of pastel, just colors. I guess they're pastels, but they're darker pastels. I like those. Then we have a package of, I sort of, you know, I don't think there's enough of any one particular one, you know. Oh, we'll see, right? So these are black with like neon colors. And these are just letters. I don't know if there's any numbers in here. I hope not, because then that would take away from the letters. Here we have some clear pastel letters. I had some of these, but only a couple. I think somebody had sent me some of those in Happy Mail. And then we have some white with like the neon and colored letters. And it came with this stretchy cord. So I'm not sure. I tried to make a bracelet the other night with those Heisha beads. And I don't know how to tie off the plastic the right way. I'm going to have to research that. But this says it's a 0.4, so I have no idea what that means. But yeah, I do have an Amazon haul as well that I have to check out the thing. But here, I like these because with the numbers, you get some hashtags, right? So we're all about the hashtags these days. So, and these look like these could go together, right? And these could go together. So that's all like one. And then there are some white ones in here that I could pull out actually and then put them with these, because the white all have black lettering on them. And then these would have to be used by themselves. And then the other colors of these. But I think these will be fun. They have little holes too. I have the ones from the Dollar Tree, the little square ones. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I like how they have a bigger hole in them. These I am definitely going to have to use a needle. How was I making the other ones? Oh, on the wires. Well, on the wires are okay because they'll go right through the wire. So, all right, guys, I will leave the little links to the products down below, and I will see you in the next video.